Okay, we have our content, but it's pretty boring right now. It's just sitting in the top left corner. Let's use CSS to make this look like a proper application. First, we will style the entire body. We use display flags and some powerful properties: justify content, center, and align item center. Then we will add page height, then background color, and font family. These 4 lines are a quick trick to perfectly center our container box right in the middle of the screen, no matter the screen size. Next, we will style the container itself. We center all the text inside it and give it a white background so it stands out from the gray background. We add some padding around the edges so the text isn't touching the sides. Next, we can add border radius and box shadow. These 2 lines, border radius and box shadow, are crucial for making it look modern. They give the container nice rounded corners and a subtle shadow, making it look like a floating card. Now it actually looks like an app you would want to use. We finish up by adding some margin around jog element to give it space, making the text a little bigger, and styling the button with a nice blue color and a cursor pointer to let people know they can click it. Great, the user interface is complete, the stage is set, now it's time for the JavaScript magic that makes the jokes appear, but we'll implement that in the next video.